Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing an intro video to a little series that I put together last minute. I have been watching everyone do their Halloween stashes, Halloween stash videos, and I figured I wanted to join in on the fun. I'm going to be doing a little video every day for this week showing you guys different parts of my stash. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my pegboard. I love my pegboard so much, you guys. I think it just makes my craft desk, my craft area, my craft wall, whatever you want to call it. I picked up my pegboard at IKEA. It comes in white and almost like a raw wood color. I chose the raw wood color because I was just going to be simply painting it. So I took it home, spray painted it with a black satin paint from Krylon. All the little accessories for it also came in a gray. My craft area colors are black and gray because I wanted it to kind of blend in with my living room since I have my crafting area right basically in my living room. And so that's why I spray painted my pegboard black. I love it though because right when I did it I knew, oh my gosh, this is gonna look so cute for Halloween. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's basically what I did. That's where I got it from. If you guys want me to, I'll link it down below. So first off on this peg, I just have some stickers. These are all from Recollections from Michael's last year, and when these go on sale I just go crazy. So I really love these mummies. I just think they're the cutest, and I love that they're kind of dimensional. I actually was wanting to do a tutorial on dimensional embellishments, making my own, because I just love the detail and dimension on these. So I have those, and then in the back I have just like these little witch hats and brooms. Over here, you guys, whenever Michael's comes out with these, I always stock up and I always run out. These are my favorite embellishments from Michael's. They're the black glittery coffins. I love them. So I had to pick up, like, I think this was like the last one that they had there when I went, because they start clearancing out their Halloween stuff the week of Halloween or something like that. And so yeah, I go and I stock up when I can. So I have these little black cats, I have some ghosts, these little spiders with googly eyes, and then I have more spider stickers, and then these black cats. So these are my second favorite embellishments when they do Halloween embellishments at Michael's, the black glittery spiders. They are my favorite. So these two are my absolute favorite. So I have the black glittery spiders, the pumpkins, the the bats that don't stick very well, but they're really cute. I have a couple packs of those. I have these, which I was falling in love with last year because they're kind of flat. These little spiders, I don't know if you can see them. They're flat and they are, what is that, like flocked? They're like flocked spiders. I don't know if you guys can see, sorry about the glare, but they're really cute and they have a gem on the body. I have these spiders with the googly eyes and then more glittery spiders. These I got in the sticker aisle at Michael's. So you know when you go to the sticker aisle, they have like different holidays and stuff that you can go and get stickers for, and that's where I find my Halloween stickers when it's not Halloween. So this was another item that I picked up when it was time for everything to start being clearanced out. I love these felt spiders. So they had felt skull and crossbones, felt spiders, and I kind of stocked up because I love them so much. And they're for a party, like for table scatter, but I mean you can put those in shakers and Happy Meal or anything like that, so I just love those. I also picked up some of their confetti last year, so this is like a little mix of orange and silver, black and white. And then I have this confetti that's like black and white skulls. But yeah, so here is some stencils. I have these here. I just hauled these in my Halloween party video, so if you haven't checked that out, I'll go ahead and link it down below. Yeah, so I just hauled these and I want to remember to use them, so that's why they're there. And this is basically where all my thickers are. So I have these thickers from the Spooky Boot collection, and then this one is from, I believe it is, no, not October Nights. Oh, After Dark, Crepe Paper After Dark. So I saved these. I have some orange glittery thickers that are called Boo. These are also from Crepe Paper After Dark, and I stocked up. And then I love these. These are like my favorite. And I got these at Tuesday Morning. They're glow in the dark. These are really cute. They're just like little ghosts from Little Bee. And then I have these stickers that I picked up this year from Michaels. I have these puffy stickers that I picked up, I think last year, from the Crepe Paper After Dark collection. And then I have these word stickers from Michaels that I got last year when it was not Halloween. And then the last little peg, I just have these, I don't know, they're like little charms from Tim Holtz that say like Trick or Treat and Wicked and stuff. I've never used them, but I really want to, so we'll see. And I got these last year too. I thought I could maybe use it on a traveler's notebook or something. But then on this little peg, I just have some treat sacks from Michaels that I picked up this year. I also have like some Target glassine bags. So I have these. And then I have these that say Happy Halloween. And then I also wanted to show you guys that I picked up this sign, I believe it was like last month, from the at-home store. And I really wanted a sign that would fit over my pegboard, and I thought this was perfect just because it kind of always is Halloween in my mind, and I'm always thinking about, oh, that'd be so cute for Halloween. Oh, Halloween project. I'm always thinking about stuff like that. So this was perfect to me. Also because like right now, that's all my mind is when it comes to like crafting and stuff. So this sign just made total sense to me, and I absolutely love it because my whole, you can't see it right now because I'm not going to show it to you, not until next month when I do like my video every day. But my whole craft area is Halloween, my whole little wall, desk, everything. And the colors that I'm going for are black, orange, and white, so this was just perfect. Okay guys, so that is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this first video to my Halloween stash series. I'm going to be doing, I believe, 5 of these. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to me, you guys can go ahead and do so by clicking the subscribe button. And if you would like to be notified when I upload, just hit the notification bell. Thanks again for watching, and I will talk to you guys soon. Love you guys. Bye.